Top 10 Best Electric Dirt Bikes of 2026 Power, Speed, and Epic Rides. 2026's Best Electric Dirt Bikes are here to take your trail game up a notch, ready to meet the top 10 trail shredders. 10. Dirt Goat 96V. Last but not the least, at number 10 is Dirt Goat 96V TV2. It is loaded with upgrades: a massive fat rear tire, bright LED headlight with high and low beam, KK suspension, and heat-sink brakes. It features riser bars, turn signals, a colorful digital display, and a huge 50 amp-hour battery for long range. Built tough, powerful, and ready for dirt. 9. Benell 775 MX. Meet the Benell 775 MX at number 9. A wild mix between a dirt bike and a mountain bike. It weighs just over 30 kilograms, but pushes 6,000 watts of power and 250 newton meters of torque from its CYCX1 Pro Gen 4 motor. The 67-volt battery packs serious juice for long, fast rides. It rocks Suntour Triple Crown forks with 200mm travel, 445 to 455, a 170mm rear shock, and Mura MT 5 brakes with floating rotors. You get a full twist throttle, dropper post, reinforced seat, and mullet wheels for total control. 411 to 416. The Intuition display links with the Benell app, adding smart tuning and built-in security. It's lightweight, adjustable, and absolutely rips purely build for adrenaline junkies. 8. Zero XB. Say hello to the Zero XB at number 8 spot, the little electric ripper shaking up the lightweight class. It packs a 7.5 kilowatt motor, powered by a 72-volt 32 amp-hour battery, and weighs just 139 pounds, so yeah, it flies. You get traction control, hill hold, selectable region, and even cruise control. The KK suspension setup, surprisingly plush for this price. Add dot brakes, 220mm rotors, and a slick full-color display. Sure, it's not built for full desert mayhem, but on trails or jumps, it's pure fun. At just over 4K, the XB nails that sweet spot fast, flickable, and way more affordable than it has any right to be. 7. Ventus One Plus. The 2026 Ventus One Plus is here. It packed with 28 kilowatt powertrain, 72-volt 50 amp-hour battery, and VTB controller. The Reflossa suspension and DOT brakes stay rock solid, while the bike gets stealthier with an all-black hub and sprocket setup. The new matte carbon battery lid pops off with a key, and the stronger one-piece stem adds durability. The updated screen now features 5 ride modes: full region control up to 950 amps, password protection, and Bluetooth battery sync. Tuned for riders, built for upgrades. 6-79. Bike Falcon GT. At number 6, the all-new Falcon GT 79 is an absolute beast. This Sur-On-style e-bike cranks 16.8 kilowatts peak power while weighing 15 pounds less than the Ventus one. Let's talk about power-to-weight goals. Built on the classic 79 frame, it rocks a massive 40 amp-hour, 72-volt battery with metal casing, grippy strap, and BMS breaker. Fast Ace forks front and rear, 60-pound compression-adjustable suspension, and a Sur-On-style linkage make it ride like a dream. The RGB motor glow is nighttime eye candy, paired with a 58T sprocket for insane torque. 18-inch meaty rear tire, sleek matte black plastics, quad piston brakes, mobile tuning app, and NFC keys complete the package. Fun, flashy, and seriously fast. 5. Arid Pro SR. Check out the Arid Pro SR at number 5. This bike is a beast 0 to 48 kilometers per hour in just 1.8 seconds and a top speed of 112 kilometers per hour. It packs a 10 kilowatt rated motor with 25 kilowatt peak power. It has a powerful 72 volt, 50 amp hour Samsung battery with 3,600 watt-hour capacity that you can easily swap out. Range: 100 plus kilometers at 40 kilometers per hour, 150 plus kilometers at 24 kilometers per hour, depending on terrain. Charging takes only 3.5 hours. Tires are 19-18 inches, 325 to 332. Suspension is Fast Ace adjustable sport, and it has a thumb-controlled regenerative braking that gives battery back while slowing. RK race chain, CNC aluminum sprocket, 358 to 400 wide foot pegs, 318 to 322, smooth throttle. Reverse, lights all super easy to use. Drag races, hill climbs, and trails. This bike handles it all like a pro. 4. Alta Sigma. Meet the Alta Sigma at number 4 in our list. The 98-volt electric dirt bike that laughs at limits and even outruns a Lamborghini. 214 to 220. This is the most powerful electric bike in the Surin class. 104 to 107, it packs a hairpin motor using the same tech Elon Musk loves. 119 to 125, engineered for high torque and efficiency. It features DOT-certified brakes and premium suspension right out of the box. 129 to 132. Two versions are available, the standard Sigma and Sigma MX with a wider rear wheel. 133 to 145, the widest swing arm in the industry, allowing massive custom tires. 148 to 152 plastics, fully removable 156 to 2 o'clock, and bike comes with 2 keys, black for controlled rides, red for full power. 208 to 012. Price? Just $5,499. It's faster, cleaner, and meaner proof that electric domination has officially arrived. 3 Varg MX 1.2. Number 3 in the list is the Varg MX 1.2, a next-gen electric motocross beast that's faster, smarter, and tougher. Power is adjustable from ranges 10 to 80, horsepower 0.48 to 0.53. The standard model delivers 60 horsepower, while the Alpha hits the full 80, 0.57 to 101. Control everything by the Arc & Stone, a handlebar touchscreen running Android that manages GPS laps and ride data in real time. 102 to 125, its battery capacity jumps to 7.2 kilowatt hours for 20% more range. The magnesium honeycomb frame cuts weight yet boosts strength. 132 to 147, it weighs 118 kilograms, delivers 1,000 Newton meters of torque. 148 to 156, and features 310mm KIB suspension. 209 to 113. Custom seat grips, brake setup, tires, and even titanium bolts all configurable. 245 to 259. Prices starting from 10,490 pounds. It's pure electric adrenaline, no noise, no limits. 335 to 347 to Bakcou Puma X22 SD. At number 2, you got Bakcou Puma X22 SD. Just when you thought e-bikes had peaked, Bakcou, the Utah brand beloved by stealthy hunters, drops the Puma X22 SD, an electric dirt bike with more punch than your morning espresso. It's powered by an 84-volt, 73-amp-hour lithium battery, charging in about 2 hours. The motor peaking at 22,000 watts. This 285-pound beast rockets to 62 miles per hour in just 5 seconds, with a top speed of 77 miles per hour. With 627 pound-feet of torque, 12.5 inches of clearance, an automatic CVT, and reverse gear, it's equal parts muscle and brains. LED headlight, blinkers, and mirrors for visibility. 119 to 125. Add adjustable suspension, hydraulic brakes, and a modular rack, all boxed and shipped to your door for $8,999. Fast, quiet, and unbothered, this ride means business. 1 Dust Moto Hightail Beta. At number 1 is the Dust Moto Hightail Beta, a new prototype that's way better than the Alpha. This mid-size, 7/8 size electric dirt bike is fast, nimble, and stable. It has custom Sierra suspension with 260mm travel in front and 285mm in the rear. The frame has a 26-degree rake for extra stability. Power comes from a special gear-reduced motor with 48 horsepower and over 700 Newton-meters torque with 3 riding modes, 15, 30, and 42 horsepower, 213 to 232. A 4.4 kilowatt-hour battery keeps it going all day, 232 to 236. Everything feels refined from the frame to the plastics and throttle. Fun, smooth, and ready for the trails. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in next video.